Alright, y'all. Back with another video. I don't be posting too much, so just got my LED Mopar symbol here. It wasn't that hard to put on. I mean, just had to lift this up and stick my hand through there. So I'm gonna wire it to this, what's this, blinker light, like when you turn your yellow lights on, so I can turn it on and off. So you'll just slice the wire a little bit, put some tape on. I already did one. That was the negative, this the positive. That's playing anyway. So I can turn it on and off. As you see, it's off right now. As you see, I'm gonna turn my yellow lights on. Like, come on, that one out because I gotta plug it in. But yeah, $15 for that. It's pretty big too. As you see. Let me back up. Yeah, that shit gonna look right at night. Yep.